Hi, first, thank you for your time. How are you?
Hello. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
Great, thank you. If we start with your very short but very successful time at Manchester United as a manager, how did you experience that time as a former player?
A big moment, you know, big responsibility to stabilize the ship. As I said it when I took over, I knew it was going to be a short-term interim job, but the goal was to, of course, stabilize the team and the club and the results. And thank God, with the support of the players and everybody there, we managed to get a couple of good results.
And then you moved to Leicester. Was this quick, easy decision for you?
No, it wasn't quick and easy. The conversation that I had with the chairman and the technical director were long and were intense, and were on multiple days. So it's important, you know, with big jobs and responsibilities like this, that you get aligned very well.
And you see yourself there long term to develop as a coach, to be your first true job in Premier League?
It's a great challenge, you know, to make Leicester a stable club and team in the Premier League. So that's the aim for this season, of course, and also hopefully for the coming seasons.
You are working even at PSV Academy with young talents, with youngsters. And some of the players like Noni Madueke and Cody Gakpo moved to the Premier League. From your point of view, how do you see them improving, playing important roles in the big clubs? Like, do you feel like a proud father or something like that?
I do, actually. I really feel like a proud father. I've seen them for a very young age. For example, Noni with 17 years old, 16, 17, Cody even younger with 15, 16, and when you can help them develop as a person and as a player into the up to the ranks at PSV, into the first team, and then even make a big move to the big teams in the world, yeah, the only thing is you can only feel very proud.
Throughout your career as a player, you played under many big managers. Did anybody had a big impact on you, the biggest impact maybe?
Yeah, of course. I think I mention always Bobby Robson and Sir Alex Ferguson as two managers that got the best out of me as a person, and inspiring and motivation qualities that are unmatched.
And what is your coaching philosophy? What kind of coach do you aspire to be?
I want to be a coach that gets the maximum out of the players and the squad. I think that's the most important thing. I have my ideas how to do that in the defensive organization and the attacking organization and in the transitions.
And as a person, like, do you aspire to be like strict? Do you want to be friends? Do you want them to trust you? What kind of relationship do you want to build with your players?
Yeah, well, that's a very good question. I like to make connection with the players, so I want to get to know them. That's also the examples of Sir Alex and Sir Bobby. They really wanted to know me, so I believe in getting to know every player, know how he's ticking, know how I can get the best out of them. So I invest a lot in that with my players, and I think within that relationship you can be very strict and demanding the highest standards, and players will buy into that in that way.
Mr. Van Nistelrooy, thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Happy holidays and good luck.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.